Menteri katana ka koi ka khia ba el hek hagasngi World Environment Day ula ai shibon ki jingmod halor kumnu ban pinne pansa yakamei maryang uba hek ulo ong ba hakinu kinu ki jingrakhi bangi rakhi halayeng la ka long kasngi kha ne kanu kanu ka jingrakhi ngila ban thung ye wei sambai ding hagani kasngi kane gan long kum ka dak ban pinne pansa yakamaryang bar ha ka jo ka por bat pulong ye ka tu kasngi ka bansa jingkan mau laru ban kado hangne ba ka Central Reserve Police Force Hashilong Golf Course kala pulong ka jing thung dieng hakabau menteri katana ka koi ka khia ulai shimbenta.
What you should make it regular. What should not be observed the World Environment Day only in the 5th of June. You should observe every day. Suppose it is my birthday. I should take the responsibility where I can plant 1 tree during my birthday. Somebody wedding anniversary. My wedding anniversary. I should think where I can plant 1 tree anywhere, somewhere else to protect the environment. That it has to be regular feature. It has to become every day from our life. We have 5 in the family. If in a year, if we plant 5 trees, we are really protecting our environment. So that way only, if we are practiced, definitely our environment will be safe, and we will give to our our future people, our future generation with a beautiful environment.